Hey guys, we're back with another hair video. Whee! Today we'll be doing a huge hair transformation. My hair probably looks different from the last time that you saw me. That's because I have bleached my roots and my hair one more time. And guys, it's still attached to my head. I'm kind of feeling it too, like K-pop star vibes. Blackpink in your area. Oh, guys, I learned this dance recently. I'm gonna post it for you guys so you guys can see. I'm ready for a change. So let's go pink. Woo! I'm actually so excited. I've been wanting to go pink for the longest time, but like I haven't had the balls to do it. And I finally feel the courage. You know, you only live once. And why not? Hair grows back. It grows pretty fast actually. Bless my genetics, but it grows, so we're chilling. So to dye my hair pink, we will be using Arctic Fox. Anytime I do my hair a creative color, I always use Arctic Fox. They are cruelty-free, vegan. I use Manic Panic sometimes too, but I just like the color that this produces, you know? I used to have pink hair when I was like a little bit younger, and now, I don't know, I get to fulfill the dreams again. Last time though, I did not know how to bleach my hair, so a lot of it broke off. This time, a lot of it is still intact. The base is as even as like we can get it, you know? But yeah. I'm so excited. Okay, so I got my bowl. Ew, I should work on my bowl. Since we're just gonna put it all over my hair, I'm not gonna like do any crazy sectioning. It doesn't have to be perfect like at all. I'm just gonna like slap it on. Anyway, yeah. Let's go ahead and add the pink. Oh, let me tell you what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna put in like quite a bit. I have a lot of hair. This is so hard to do in front of the camera. What the fuck? Okay. Ooh! So I put in about like 2/3 of the bottle, I think. Maybe a little less than 2/3. And then I buy like the cheapest like conditioner at like my local store. This one smells okay. Yeah. Suave. And then I put in a ton. I put in like way more than a 1-to-1. Maybe like a 1 to 1.5 ratio. You see that? Just a ton, because we want it to be like a light pink. Oh, I should have mentioned that. I'm going for like a pastel pink, not like a dark pink. Anyway, more conditioner. And I'm mixing a ton right now because I feel like it's like painting. Like once you mix that one color, you have to mix a lot, because like you can't mix the same color again. It's never gonna be the same. Alrighty, I think that's it. I don't really have anything to mix it with, so I'm just gonna use like this hairbrush. Oh, maybe I put in too much pink. Yeah, I think I put in a little too much pink. Oopsies. Oh well. So I mixed it all up. It's still pink, like pink AF, but we're just gonna have to roll with it because I can't pour in any more conditioner. Look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it on for like a short period of time. Let's get started. Okay, I already dripped some on myself. Oh my god, I'm afraid it's gonna be a hot pink. Usually I like to go for like a peachy pink, so that's why like I don't want to like tone out the yellows in my hair. Oh my god, it's gonna be like lava girl pink. Oh no, I should have added way more conditioner. I should have added conditioner first than the color, but I got carried away. Maybe it'll be fine. Maybe I want it a little dark so then it fades. This is so messy. It's gonna get like everywhere. It's like all over me already. Great. Oh my god, I feel like it's already transforming. I look like an egg. Every time I dye my hair pink, I feel like an absolute badass. It's like literally getting all over my bathroom. My bathroom is getting pink now, just like me. So I feel like it's saturated enough. And let it sit for like 20 minutes from now. And then I'm just gonna wash it off. I will see you guys here in a sec.
Maybe I create here in the back. Otherwise, you did good.
Thanks. It's wash time. Look at that. So pink. Why, hello. So this is how it turned out. I feel like, okay, let's turn off this light and see. Yeah, it's very, very pink. And I kind of love it. Definitely did not put enough conditioner, but it's okay because the more I wash it, the more it's gonna get lighter and lighter. But yeah, I feel like it's like really cute, and I can't control myself. Every time I look at myself, I just smile. Like I am entering my full form. What do they call it? I don't know. I'm Charizard now, okay? I can't stop doing this. It's like, it looks so cute. I feel like I am finally myself. Like I am in my element. This is my element. And it just feels perfect. I just love this color on me and this color in general. I just love pink. And now that my hair is pink, I feel like this is it. Like if I die tomorrow, I'm gonna be happy dying. No, I shouldn't say that. I would be dying with no regrets. But anyways, I'm gonna start posting more content with the pink hair. We're doing new makeup looks, as you can tell. I also may or may not be cutting bangs. If I do, short is gonna be linked for you guys to go ahead and check it out. But yeah, just wait till my mom sees me. She hasn't seen my hair yet. She's gonna explode. Yeah. I hope you guys like it too. We're probably not gonna be dyeing my hair. Probably we will, but like I'm gonna be keeping it pink for a while. And I am excited for you guys to see my new content coming up soon. Alrighty guys, thanks for joining me today. I will see you guys next time. Bye.